could it be Festival Jam as we celebrate the 50th Smoky Hill River Festival.
My name is Julian Azcary Montes, and I am here with the Shout to share some of the arts and cultural events in the area. We took a ride with the City of Salina's Arts and Humanities Operation and Development Manager, Anna Pauscher-Morowitz, to learn more about the festival.
Well, the tradition began with a street fair in '76. It was a group of women actually that started it. Fast forward to today, 50 years of the Smoky Hill River Festival. We have about 50,000 people come into the park over 4 days. It's really focused on the arts with 3 live stages of entertainment. 120 or so artists visit our festival and sell their art. It's a really family-friendly environment. We do a lot in the name of community, in the name of getting together, celebrating the arts, celebrating experiences together.
After our ride around the grounds, we took to the field to ask some of the artists about their experience with the festival.
I don't know of any other festivals that hire a bunch of installation artists. I don't even think that first year, I didn't even think I told them what I was going to do. I just came and got steel and started building. It's amazing what they've built.
It's really special. That's kind of what we write about, is our community. So being able to share that with other tight-knit communities is, I think, what touring musicians look for the most when we get on the road is finding family in other cities.
This is actually how we create sustainable communities for artists. We're platforming people. This platforms community.
We bring all these artists together and they create magic. It's very cool to see.
With 50 years of the festival complete, we asked about how attendees could enjoy next year's festivities.
I would encourage them to spend more than 2 hours in the park. You bring a blanket and some chairs, find a shady spot to just kind of chill out and take in the environment. There really is something for everybody here. It's not just for people who love art or appreciate art. We really encourage everybody to just be yourself here in the park and explore.
You can find more information about the next festival through their socials and website. Additionally, you can find this and other arts and culture happenings through the Shout calendar at shoutwichita.com.
This is not possible without the support of the community. I have just been blown away by the generosity of the community in supporting this event. I can ask for support for an event like this because I absolutely believe in it.